The larger laser sparks, no sparks ejected, and the loudest sound. Remove the pointer. Laser spot via foot pedal. Rotate to adjust clarity. Need an Allen wrench. Loosen the screw at this location. Keep this position unchanged. Find the position of the laser point by fine-tuning. Fix the screws one by one. Move guides using on-screen buttons. Let the center position coincide with the laser point. Move the camera back and forth, and the laser point moves near the pointer. Move it closer to the center point of the pointer. Turn on the light. By rotating the button below the desktop, adjust the position to coincide with the welding seam.